If you're trying to figure out how to connect LearnWorlds with Shopify, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to integrate both platforms seamlessly, saving you time and ensuring a smooth user experience. Stick around because we'll also reveal a better alternative at the end that might just make your life a lot easier. Trust me, you don't want to miss that. First things first, LearnWorlds is a powerful platform for creating and selling online courses, while Shopify is a top tier e commerce platform. Connecting them allows you to sell your courses directly from your Shopify store. Let's dive into the process. Next thing, you'll want to make sure you have accounts set up on both platforms. If you haven't done so yet, create your LearnWorlds and Shopify accounts. For LearnWorlds, sign in and navigate to the Integrations section under your account settings. Then, head to your Shopify store and log in. You need to install the LearnWorlds app from the Shopify App Store. This is a free app, but keep in mind, you'll need to ensure you have the right plan with both platforms to enable smooth integration. It's important to confirm your plan on LearnWorlds supports third-party integrations, or this step won't work. Now that you've installed the app, you'll need to connect your accounts. The app will ask for your LearnWorlds login details and API key. To find this key, go to your LearnWorlds dashboard, navigate to the Settings section, and then look for API access. Copy the key and paste it into the Shopify app setup page. The fourth thing is product syncing. Once connected, you'll see the option to sync your courses as products on Shopify. This means your courses will appear as physical or digital products, and customers can purchase them just like any other Shopify product. This is where the magic happens. Next, the app will allow you to configure the product page for each course, including adding descriptions, setting prices, and linking to your LearnWorlds platform for course access. Be sure to optimize this page so it looks polished and professional. One thing to keep in mind, although this integration works smoothly for most users, some people have reported a few glitches with product syncing or course access issues. If you run into these, you may need to check LearnWorlds and Shopify settings or reach out to their support teams for troubleshooting. But before you go, here's the kicker. While LearnWorlds is great, I've found a software that's even better for creating a streamlined course selling experience, especially if you want to integrate more easily with other platforms. That's right, there's a competitor that will save you time and effort. I won't leave you hanging. Through our link, you can grab an exclusive extended free trial to this software, no strings attached. And yes, it also integrates perfectly with Shopify. Plus, we're offering an additional set of tools and features that make it the better option for most course creators. By using our link, you'll get the best free trial with exclusive benefits just for our viewers. It's a win-win, so check it out and make your course selling easier today.